Posturite started in 1991 and we specialise in ergonomic solutions and furniture. A large part of our business is involved someone with a musculoskeletal problem or some sort of pain at their workstation. One of our trained assessors will go in, provide an assessment, write that assessment up and provide some recommendations. We then will provide a quote, and off the back of the quote we'll then provide those products, and we do up to 20,000 of those every year.
The way we used to book, we used to have quite a few tabs open. We had to navigate between a lot of screens. There wasn't very much visibility of where people were. There was no automation at all. Therefore, lead times, etc. were higher.
We want to go from 25 million to 50 million in a few years' time, and the system that we're using just wouldn't scale that far. We'd been using Dynamics for a number of years, as well as various other Microsoft products. So actually, when we went out to market, Dynamics Field Server was actually quite an obvious choice. You know what you're getting from Microsoft is best practice always.
We are now booking almost double the amount of appointments per day. The system will suggest the most appropriate person within the closest distance in the closest amount of time that can carry out the appointment, and everything is there where you need it. It means that we're working quicker, we're working more efficiently, the cost per visit of an assessment has reduced. Everyone is working to a higher standard.
The assessors have all got a mobile app that they use on the road. From the point of which they're travelling to the appointment, all of it's within one application. They're updating their status throughout the day, so we're actually able to send customers notifications, which is just so much better than how we used to work. One of the other big steps forward we've made actually is we've revised how we send our final assessment across. Now all of the assessments are contained within a portal. The customer will now get a notification that it's ready. They then also get the ability to see all of the assessments that have been done so far. So if they've missed one or want to go back to one, rather than having to dig through their emails, they can just log onto the portal. The customer's getting a more modern service, it's more secure, which has made a huge difference. Because all of the data is now within Dynamics 365, it has allowed us to start looking at trends, make quicker, better decisions, focus on where investment should be made, and therefore allows us to really accelerate the growth. So it's a massive benefit for the business.
I'm really happy with the effect that the new systems had on us as a business, my team, and also me personally. We're able to get to our customers quicker, keep them happy, and in turn that makes us happy.
Became apparent very quickly after a bit of searching. They were clearly the market leaders. They had a mapped out plan for how they would go through the field service journey. They've got a survey tool which we're now using for assessment, which worked really well. Everybody that have come into contact from account management all the way through to consultants and supports have been great. With the efficiency gains that we get from the new system, booking up to double the appointments that we were able to do before, and with slightly reduced headcount, we can really see it working for the business and setting us up for the future.